Here we go, Basil's arrived. Come on, my man. Yeah, Baz. Come here, because I want you to have this medication, my lovely. Come here, my fella. Yeah, come and get this. Basil. Baz. 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 Yeah. Come on. No, see, they're loving this raw minced chicken. Baz. Yeah. Come on. I'll give him a minute or two. That's right, those pieces don't have any medication in. So yeah, it's awful night. Bit windy. Rain. It's rained quite heavily as well, so no fun. As you can see, he is walking on all four paws. Here, Baz. Baz. Here. Come on, mate. Here. No. No, it's just nice to see him using all the legs. Patience is a virtue and it's paid off, so he might run in a minute because somebody's walking past with a dog. Unless he doesn't see him. No, he can hear. He's aware. Are they going to walk right past, or are they turning around and going the other way? I think they're waiting to see what happens. Here, mate. Baz. No, see, he is very alert. Basil, here you go. Come on. Come and get this piece. Good boy. Here we go. That's the main one. Thank you. Oh, crafty. Baz, I'm getting wet, mate. Baz? No, he's going to go. Yeah, he's going to go because they're out there. Has he gone? Yep, he's gone. Right, fingers crossed he comes back. But I'm going to go and nab that bit because it's got medication in it. So bye for now.